Yeah, hey guys. So I discovered this tonight. It's the thing that I've been waiting for, and I finally bumped into it. Code editor that can use your whole repo, your whole repository, the entire project. So it doesn't actually use the entire code base for context, but when you ask it a question, it knows the file names for every file in your project, so it's pretty smart about where to look. Okay? So Uh, my very first try, I got excellent response. This is our project orgs. It has a notifications counter, like how many messages you haven't read or things like that. So I asked it, and I just copied it into a fresh chat to show you. How does this app reduce the number in the notification counter here? Okay, and this part I copied out of the browser tab. I grabbed the element, um, and you can see this is notification counter class, okay? And this is currently set to 0. The rest of this surrounding is not really important, but it did help the AI know where to look. Now this is Cursor AI Editor. It's still in its early days, but watch this. This is amazing. So you click this button right here. I think Control Enter, I guess it would be. Let's try that instead of clicking. Control Enter. Searching entire code base. Okay, and it tells you which files it's reading from. And my only guess is that it knows which files to check based on the information that's provided. Because I'm sure it's not feeding the entire code base over to OpenAI servers for processing. Um, so it's intelligently grabbing relevant data for context, sending that over to the AI and giving you the return. Okay. So cool. So this is its, long, lengthy explanation, right? But here's what auth user unread notifications. Okay. So it's showing you exactly what's going on. Mark as read. Okay. I'll let you play around with it. We don't need to dive into the details. But that's what I wanted to show you. And that is stinking amazing. This is a giant app. This is a project management app that we've been working on for, I don't know, uh, mostly Aaron and I. But lately, Vitali has been helping. There's been 3 or 4 other people that have helped in. There's countless packages. I mean, we're standing on the shoulders of giants, but I can't tell you how many hours we've put into this already. But it's giant, okay? Like here we got our HTTP folder. We got a bunch of LiveWire going on, but just look at our controllers. Okay, we got folders in the controllers folder, but just top level stuff. Okay, this is a lot, right? Now, the AI might have a harder time if I ask a little deeper of a functionality type of question. I mean, this is like, okay, we'll look in the layouts folders for the app layout. It's in the header. We'll figure out where their header's at. And it's JavaScript, definitely JavaScript powering this counter. So we'll check the, app JavaScript file. This was maybe an easier question. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to definitely be trying with harder questions in the future. Now, this is a fork of VS Code Editor. You can import all your plugins and whatnot. I love PHP Storm and I'm not going to switch, but I'm going to open this thing up anytime I have a question about a code base. You see what I'm saying? This is also looking like it's got excellent um, uh, debugging. So you can highlight a bunch of code and ask, where's the bug? And it is going to, I would expect it would probably open up the relevant files and just figure out the whole darn thing. So anyways, I'm super excited and super pumped ever since whatever that was, almost a year ago, an AI came out uh, to the mainstream anyways. This is what I've been hoping for. So it's Cursor, and Yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll paste in the landing page for some of my talking on this blank on this not moving editor screen here. Cursor is really cool. Download it, try it out. It's great. You can plug in your um, OpenAI API key if you want, or you can get a subscription with them for like more uh, AI usage. There's a limit. I think it's 500 slow AI queries per month on the free plan, something like that. Might be 300, I forget. But anyways, super cool. It's called Cursor. Check it out.